looking to learn Arabic calligraphy in the Nastaliq and Farsi script, then this video is for you. Hey everybody, this is Muhammad Harun from Canvas Wonders, helping you create something worth wonders today. For those of you that don't know who I am and are new here, I'm an Arabic calligrapher and a self-taught graphic designer. I help people beautify their homes with Arabic calligraphic artworks, and here on YouTube, I help people learn calligraphy with useful tips and tutorials. If that's something that interests you, then make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon not to miss another video. Today's lesson, we will learn how to script the letter Noon and the letter Waw correctly. Let's get started. The letter Noon is exactly the same as the body of the letter Sin, Sad, Qaf and Lam. The letter Noon is scripted in 2 strokes. Adjusting the nib to 45 degrees, create a small alif of 3 units in height. Create a curve similar to a bracket, keeping the nib tilted to complete the letter, ensuring the tail comes inwards slightly. The dot should be vertically aligned to the tail. Let's measure up. The curvature of the bottom of the belly has 1 unit space to the tail. The front of the letter Noon to the front belly is 2 units apart. The tip of the body is 1 unit lower to the head of the letter. The tail curves inwards of half a unit. The horizontal space in the belly is 3.5 units. The vertical space of the belly is 4 units. There is also a Kashida version of the letter Noon, same as the body of the Sheen Kashida. Check out lesson 6 to recap. The letter Waw has the head of the letter Fa and the body of the letter Dal. The letter Waw is scripted in 3 strokes. Begin with the nib at 75-degree angle and create an outward stroke, bringing the stroke down in a circular motion, and lift the bottom tip of the nib and continue with the top tip. Now keep the back straight, draw a line and connect it to the end of the Waw like so, and fill it in if you need to. Let's measure up. The head of the Waw is 1 unit in width and height. The height of the Waw is 2 units. The foot is 1 unit and the space inside is 1 unit. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Question of the day. Are you left-handed or are you right-handed? Let me know in the comment section below so I can make more videos around this. Like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and check out the other videos I have on this channel, because I'm sure they'll bring you a lot of value. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, may peace be with you.